Hello, I just buy the new motorcycle. It is the Honda Winner X version 3. It manufactured in Vietnam. This bike actually is the old one. The first owner registered it in 2022, 3 years ago. I add new rear rack, so I can tie the big bag on this rear rack. I replaced the chain. The old one is very loosened, so it caused the sound, very ugly sound. So the new one is bigger and more tight. I replaced the old tie with this one. The old tie has some hole. The new one is better. It have an off-road. It's designed for off-road, so it can go on the sandy or some rock, small rock road. What else? I installed the small box on the back of the bicycle. Its volume is 12 liter. You see, it's not so firm. Yeah, it's vibrate, but it's okay. It's fine. Here is a mobile phone holder mount. I mount a mobile phone here. So on the road, I can see the Google Map to navigate the road. Okay. Here is the USB charger outlet. Yeah. So in the long road, I can connect the USB cable up to here to charge my mobile phone. It's very, very useful feature of this bike. I replaced the gear shifter here. Before it have only this one, but not this one. So from now on, when I want to gear up, I just press it down. It's very natural to my leg. I like it. I like it very much. What else? Here's the previous owner. He installed the LED light. It's very bright in the dark night. Very good for safety reason. I replaced this brake. The old one is bent in an accident, so I had to replace the new one. This bike have ABS. ABS, you see the ABS, this here. Yeah. And what else? Inside the engine, I replaced the spark plug with the new one, Denso iridium. So this spark plug will spark the fire in combustion chamber more durable, consistent. Consistent. Yeah. Yes. Overall, I just spend about 7 million more to upgrade this bike. In the next few days, I will replace this pillow to make it softer and anti-shock. So when I drive into some bad condition road with a lot of pothole, I still feel okay. So I will replace this one. The material inside will be the natural rubber. Natural rubber. Okay. Yeah. I bought it only 26,600,000 dollars. $26,600,000. Okay.